What do I give these kids to eat this evening? They had oatmeal with milk and banana in the morning. They ate rice with vegetable soup and fish in the afternoon. And I don't want to do much cooking tonight because I'm here to do the laundry and the dishes. I need to as well prepare their bags for their school tomorrow. And even me, I need my personal time. This is one of the experiences of an average mother who treasures the health of her children and cannot afford to give them just anything to eat. Welcome back to my channel. It's still Ginseng Matters with Roy. Your go-to channel for inspirational, interesting, and impacting videos. You know, the thought of what the kids should have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner can sometimes be overwhelming, especially when you don't want to bore them and kill their appetites with some set of regular foods. Considering how busy your schedules and home care and other engagements are, some mothers' mental health are affected already because they have not been able to manage this aspect of motherhood properly. But today, I have an effective solution for you. Can you say solution? And this solution is a great relief for all new moms and old moms as well. It's a solution once and for all. A nutritional biochemist and a mother of two, she saw how mothers like her had been struggling with this problem of feeding kids balanced diets. She decided to do something about it and designed a meal guide for children from 6 months old until 12 years of age. I went through this meal guide and it was wow. She made it so easy for moms such that you don't need to stress yourself about what to give your kids any time of the day. It contains various kinds of smoothie ideas that you can give to your children, even balanced meal ideas and healthy snacks as well. It's indeed a burden lifter. This book contains 50 simple and highly nutritious meal recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for kids from ages 6 months until 12 years. It also has detailed explanation of how you can prepare these meals. In the book, you will find a 2-week food timetable for the family, 10 healthy snack ideas, simple to make smoothies, and a detailed shopper's guide. I'm sure you want to check this book out and start implementing its principles on your kids. So, save yourself a bunch of everyday stress by ordering for this practical and easy to use meal guide now. I'll put the link in the description and comment section. Do well to get this book for your beautiful family and as a gift for other moms out there. Remember, health is wealth. And healthy children are happy children. You can see it all over them. Stay healthy and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and more importantly, turn on your notifications so you can be informed whenever I upload new videos. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.